Hi guys, this will be another quick video. I'm in my extension room gym, and I actually have 4 home gyms. I'm 67 years old. I'll be 68 this year. But I had a health scare last year where I almost passed out while driving on the highway. And it shook me up so bad I went home and I watched the Netflix documentary, The Game Changers, which advocates switching to a plant-based diet to improve health and athletic performance. And I knew I had to do something because if I didn't, I knew I was going to die a premature death. So I gave a plant-based diet a try, and I lost so much weight the first couple of weeks I switched to it permanently. And in 8 months I lost 54 pounds. But that's not what this video is about. But if you don't learn anything else from me, please watch The Game Changers. And if you don't want to watch the take the time to go find it, just go on YouTube and check out the YouTube trailer for The Game Changers, and you'll see why you should watch it. But today I want to talk to you about belt squats. A lot of personal trainers will tell you that the 3 exercises that you want to do the most are the bench press, the deadlift, and the squat. But the problem with the squat is that a lot of people have lower back problems, and if you have a lower back problem, you don't want to be doing back squats, or even front squats for that matter. And there's a lot of people who do squat that have back problems because of squatting. But there is an alternative, a reasonable alternative, and that's doing belt squats. When you do a back squat or a front squat, you have all that weight, on your trapezius that is pressing down on your spine. So if you have a slipped disc or if you have a back injury, it just complicates it. My firm belief is that exercise should be effective, it should be safe, and it should be fun to do. That's my personal belief. Or at least if it's not fun, at least it's tolerable. And the belt squat fits that category for me. I like doing belt squats. In my extension room gym, I own a rack-mountable squat MD where I can do back squats on. And as you can see, even though you're supposed to mount it on a power rack or squat stands, which I actually have 2 squat stands, and I also have a power rack, but I want to use those for other purposes, so I just mounted it on a concrete block, which you can do, and which I did. Okay, I'm in my garage gym now, and as you can see, I have a belt squat attachment that's attached to my Titan Fitness half rack. So I can do belt squats here. And if I didn't want to do belt squats here, I can do belt squat on this belt squat attachment. And I also have Black Widow platforms. And as you can see, this is a plyo box that I have set up for belt squats. And I can also do belt squats here by my Swedish ladder. So right away, there's 4 different spots I can do belt squats with in my garage gym. And I got plenty of plyo boxes, as you can see. I have more in my basement gym. And this is a belt squat attachment device for landmines. It's put out by Elite FTS. There's a landmine. I don't have it set up for the belt squat right now because I have other ways to do belt squats. Okay, so now I'm out in my backyard patio gym, and that's what this video is about. I want to show you a way that you can belt squat outdoors if you have a Stamina PT 1690 pull-up station. And I actually have 2 Stamina PT 1690 pull-up stations because I think they're just the best exercise equipment that you could possibly purchase. And check out my video on that because you can do so many exercises pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, vertical body weight rows, sit-ups, mountain climbers, knee raises, leg raises, and so on. But another exercise most people don't know that you can do on a Stamina PT 1690 pull-up station are belt squats. Of course, you're going to need a plyo box or some type of platform, and you'll need some type of belt. And I have several belts. As you can see, I own several belt squat belts, which includes 2 harness belts. That also includes the split ankle one, which takes the weight off your back and distributes it between your hip and your back. The regular split ankle belt squat belt, pillow belt, the Titan Fitness Squat Max MD belt. This is a manual clear dip belt. So let me show you my belt squat setup for my backyard patio gym. And what I have is 8 concrete blocks, which I crisscross 2 on each layer, or 4 layers. And I have a loading pin. And for this demonstration, I'm just using 4 35-pound plates. And this is my Stamina PT 1690. I'll be using the supports for balance, and I'll be using the 2 dip handles when I transition, when I put on the loading pin on my dip belt. And I'm also using push-up handles because that's what I'll be standing on. And I'll use that bottom support because I'll initially stand on that to get in position. This is how I like to do belt squats using the Stamina PT 1690 pull-up station. I just connect to the loading pin. Then I use the pull-up tower for support, stand on the center support, do a calf raise, lift the weight off the platform. I'll put my hands on the dip handles so I can step back on the push-up handles. And it's on the push-up handles where I'll be doing the belt squat. Now I'm just going to grab the pull-up station again and do a belt squat. And as you can see, I can get well below parallel. When I'm done, just grab the dip handles again, step back on the center support, and lower the weight back on the platform. So there you go, guys. It's a low-cost belt squat solution. And if you're thinking about a safe way to do belt squats, think about using the Stamina PT 1690 pull-up station. It's a great machine. It's the best exercise equipment I own. Okay, that's all for now. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell notification because I'll be doing a lot more videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.